Hey classmates, my name is Erin Taylor and this is my final digital storytelling assignment. Today, the software I'll be talking about is Class Dojo, so let's use Class Dojo. Introduction. So what is Class Dojo? Class Dojo is a classroom management software. It's used by teachers, parents, and students, all of the above. It encourages community by sharing classroom instruction with the home, basically saying that parents can interact and view what their students are learning and completing within the classroom. And some of these sharing things that are being shared are videos, messages, and photos. So Class Dojo in education, how is it used? So teachers assign a classroom activity. The work from the activity is published on the software by the teacher once it's graded or once she verifies it. Work is visible to classmates, parents, or guardians. The classmates, parents, or guardians can also give feedback, positive or constructive or positive or whatever kind of feedback they want. And student behavior is also something that can be monitored on the software. So let me show you how it works. Okay, so I made an account, which is the first thing you have to do. You just use your email, choose your school. I just chose my elementary school, Lake Myrtle Elementary School, because in 4th grade I actually used this site. And so yeah, I'll use the demo class to show you how it works. So first, it'll show you can add your roster, so your class roster. And if you click on an individual student, you can invite their parent so they can see only their child's work and how well they're doing. So also I will go and show you this bar down here. It's probably the most important bar on the website. So clicking toolkit, you can use a timer, which basically just for any assignment, if you need to time your kids, you can choose what time you want and it can be presented on a projector or whatever. Random just kind of selects a student. So if you are a teacher that wants a student to come up to a whiteboard and complete a math problem or whatnot, you can use this. Pretty cool. Next, you can do group maker for like table groups. You can choose how many groups you want, obviously 6+, and it will automatically put your students in a group, but you can also go in and manually do that. Noise meter is just for cheering and all that, probably the least used asset. Directions. So you can basically make your own activity. You can name it and put step-by-step instructions that students will have to complete, whether that be a multiple choice quiz, written response, anything. Think, pair, share is kind of like questions you can present in front of your class, for maybe a ticket out the door or something to do right when they get to class. Also, this is called Today, so you can put kind of like your agenda also projected on a whiteboard or any smartboard, anything, so students can see the work that they will be doing, so you can go ahead and do that on your own. And lastly, there's music. So if students are working and you want to play some music, you can choose whichever one you want, and it plays just like this. So that is pretty cool. You can do your class attendance. At the bottom, you can mark all as present, mark all as absent, or you can individually go in and mark students absent as well. Random is the exact same random that was on the toolkit. Timer is the exact same thing, you'll see. And big ideas. So big ideas are activities that were already generated that you can go in and use for your class. You can watch, discuss, and share to class story. So it's kind of activities that are already pre-done, so you don't have to do that, which is awesome. And some of these simple things up here are messages you can send to parents. See, you can allow your parents to do that. Portfolios, same kind of thing. And the coolest thing option, if you go to view reports, it shows all the students' grades. So I went ahead and gave 2 students' grades already that you can see. Parents will see their individual child and they can also see attendance. So that is pretty cool. I can go in and kind of show you also how this works. You can kind of select student, give them feedback, positive, or you can add extra so they're hardworking, and there you go, student got that. So that is pretty cool. So yeah, that's just a quick rundown of how it works. So overall takeaways from me is I think it's simple, very interactive with students, parents, it's engaging and very connecting home life and school life. And yeah, these are the works cited I use for my PowerPoint. And thank you for watching. Have a great day, guys.